What's up YouTube? Tony here, back with another video. Shout out to iBlason for this unboxing. We're going to go ahead and check out some of their cases, and I will try to link all of the cases down in the description below. These are for the iPhone SE, second generation, iPhone 2020. So we have a whole bunch of cases here, and we're going to start off with this one here. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. This one is the iBlason Aries SP metallic red. So this is also, it says iPhone 7, 8, SE 2020. You guys can check that out there. So we're going to go ahead, check this case out and see what these cases look like. So these are pretty nice cases. You get this installation guide, which shows you how to install it. And you can see it's a two-part case. So we'll probably won't do all of them, but we'll just see which one. Oh, this is a nice one. Sort of like a Armorbox type. We got the clear back here. And definitely some really, really good protection. It has a built-in screen protector also. So we do have a port for the bottom, for the lightning port, little cover for the lightning port. And the back is clear, rubberized. The power button has ridges on it. And over here we got a little port for mute switch and the volume rockers. And this is a real nice case. So we're going to go ahead and keep unboxing them. Then we'll try them on. And this one is the red. Once again, the red Aries SP metallic. So then that's that one. This one is the Aries SP black. So this is a black one. Same as that, identical case, but it's black. I'll probably be giving some of these away at the end of this video, or maybe I'll have you guys comment down below. Let me know which ones you guys want, and I'll pick someone. So this is the black one. You can see it's the same design. I'll zoom out a little bit. It's the same design, except one is black, one is red. Nice protection on the corners. I like these. These are real nice. And they both come with built-in screen protectors. So that one is the Aries red and the Aries black. Then we have one right here. This one is going to be Cosmo SP Marble. So we'll check this one out. Go ahead and open this one up. See what this one looks like. And zoom out. Another installation guide. And this one is really, really nice. This is like a rose gold kind of. Wow, look at that one. So this is the Cosmo SP Marble. Really nice. Kind of like girly design there for your female. You probably like this one. So that is that. And then the other one is going to be iPhone 7 Halo Clear. So I'm guessing this is just a clear case. And I always love clear cases. So here's their social media. You guys want to check them out? iBlason official on Instagram, Twitter at iBlason, Facebook.com/iBlason, and they're on YouTube.com/Blason LLC. There's a QR code. And this one's all clear. Very nice. A little branding right there. iBlason branding. Let's see if you guys can catch that. There it is. iBlason. It's a clear one. Just a regular clear TPU. It's a hardback though. Hardback one. So I like these. I like the hardback ones. I don't like the ones that are real flexible. I like this hardback one. So that is that. So we're gonna go ahead and try one of these on. We'll try. These are all the same. Just different colors right here. So we're just gonna try one. See, this one just has that mark, that Cosmo on the back. The other one, I like these two though. They're rubberized with the hard backs. So we'll try this red one on. I like this red one. Real quick. Peel it off from the bottom just like that. And you can see it's a two-part case. Keep peeling away. And that is that. So here's the clear in there. I would imagine you got to remove some kind of film. I can see it already. You got to remove the film, but we're just going to try this one on. Here's that film, and you could also, it has a fingerprint cut out right there for the fingerprint. Gotta try that one. Ooh, it's nice and clear. So we'll drop this one in from the bottom first. It's a hard plastic, and that went in pretty easy. This is how it looks, real nice. I have a tempered glass screen protector on, and it actually went in with no problem. So then we're gonna go ahead and slide the bottom, and then you just tuck in the sides like so, and there it is. These are one of the cases that you put on and you leave it on. You don't take them on, off and on, because these are not very easy to put on and off. Let's see where we're at over here. So this, it should fit. Let me see if I can get it on. It's kind of really snug because I have a screen protector on, but it went on. It went on right there, so boom. Definitely really nice case right here. Access to the bottom, lightning port. Easy access to the lightning port. Also the mute switch right there. Buttons are easy to press. So it works real good. The fingerprint reader is easy to get to. Not a problem. So this one is the Aries SP red, and then here's the black one. Really nice cases, man. I like that. So let's go ahead and take this off. Here's where we start to struggle, is taking this one off. Let's see if it comes off pretty easy. But oh, not too bad. Most of them are real difficult to take off, but this one's not too bad. And then you just peel off the corners. Boop, not bad at all. So let's go ahead and move on to the other ones. These are the bigger ones. iBlason. This one's going to be Transformer Black. And these come with a, oh, this is nice. These come with belt holsters if you're into that. So this is the iBlason. Oh, very nice one. This one's just slide the phone right in, so we could definitely try this one on. Huge corner protection. Check out the drop protection on these. Look at that. These things are nice. Definitely going to protect from corner drops. And then we have some lip protection on this one also. On the back, has like that carbon fiber. I might rock this one. And then peel from the bottom. Oh, I can't get that out. It's supposed to be a let me see if I can get it out. There it goes. It's supposed to be a little stand. So yeah, let's check that out. Let me clear some of this stuff out. It's a little stand. And it also, you can do it landscape. You can do it landscape and also portrait or landscape, however you want to watch your video content. It's a nice case. And then we got, let me see, nice cutoff for the camera. This is nice. I like this one. Definitely has a whole bunch of grip. This is rubber right here. Has some ridges on the power button right there. And on over here you can see nice cutoff for the mute switch and then the volume markers. Very nice. Let's check out the, right here on the holster here we have like some kind of material on here. Some plush material, and you got the branding right there, iBlason. This is, the iPhone SE is such a small device that you can use the holster with it with no problem. Unlike these other bigger phones that you put these on the side and it looks like you got a TV set hanging on off the side of your hip. But this right here is a pretty small phone. You can easily get away with a holster. And yeah, definitely, I'll probably rock this one tomorrow. I like this one. So this is the black one. And let me get the name of this again. This one's called the Transformer Black. And this one is Armorbox Black. iPhone 7, 8, and SE 2020. This is my favorite so far. Let's see what this one does. I like the name. Armorbox Black. right? Armorbox black. Ooh, this one looks like it's a tank. I don't know which one you guys like better. This one has that pre-installed screen protector, and it's hard back, rubberized all the way around, so I'm pretty sure it's definitely going to add some grip to it. It's real comfortable to hold, but I kind of like this one still. This one's still my favorite right here. So yeah, drop a comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite. I'll probably be giving most of these away. I already have too many cases, so I'll probably be giving most of these away. Drop a comment. Let me know which one you guys like. iBlason. And I will catch you guys on the next one. I think that's all of them. Yes, it is. We got this front one. Where does this one go? This one goes to this one. But yeah, that's it, guys. Catch you guys in another one. We out.